Welcome to New Testament Lit, BIB 224, Spring 2020. Very excited about our upcoming class. I wanted to just go over a few little details that might help you with the homework. And so let's look at this. So what we're going to do each time is we'll go over a series of questions, and this will be for our time on Tuesday. We'll have two parts to the lecture, Part A and Part B. The first, we'll look at the beginning and end of the Bible. This is very important, looking at strategy to read the whole scriptures together. I'm going to have you go through and read Genesis 1 and 2 and Revelation 21 and 22. Just make some observations about what you find interesting. And do you see any parallels between these two sections? We'll ask some practical questions. What do you find interesting? What's most challenging? And central theme in this class, how is it like Jesus, unlike Jesus? How are the characters like or unlike Jesus? The second part of Tuesday's lecture will take a deep dive into two very important passages, Genesis 1 and John 1, and in particular how monotheism is understood by the New Testament writers. And so we'll look at Genesis 1 and John 1. We'll also look at a passage very important to Jewish people. It's called the Shema. In fact, we should probably do 1 to 5 there. Something the Jews said every day, and then how New Testament writers understood that passage. And so if you'll take some time, I encourage you, you may want to get together as a group. Make sure you submit your own work, not someone else's, though, but it's easier to do this homework if you do it in a group. Get together and go through. You probably spend, an hour or 2 hours doing this homework. And then when we come together for our discussion, what you're going to find is that time is going to be much more productive for you. So what you'll do is do the homework and then upload those homework questions before the start of Lecture 1. And that will be the case for all 29 times that we meet in this class over the course of the semester. Submit your homework, and then when we come together, we'll be much better placed to discuss it. Really looking forward to our time. Email me if you have questions, but I'll look forward to seeing you then. Thanks.